Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys going? Well, welcome to Nick the Geek. And this week's chapter, we're gonna talk a little bit about derivatives. So get ready and let's go! Okay, just recalling from one of our previous lessons, if we draw a straight line like this one, we already know the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b, where b is the intersection with the y-axis. So what do we want to know right now? We want to define the slope as the variation between y and x. How much it changes from the y-axis with respect to the x-axis. I'm gonna show you one new symbol. This triangle here, we're gonna call it a change in something. So we're gonna define the slope as a change in y divided into a change in x. And that's what we called the point slope equation that we also knew in previous lessons. So that variation is called the slope. What you guys didn't know is that this is also the derivative, right? So we're gonna see a couple derivatives just as an example, and then in another week we're gonna get deeper into this derivatives topic, which is quite extensive. So let's keep it simple. If we know that y is equal to mx plus b, then the derivative of every line, every single line, is just the slope. So for example, in this line, y equals 3x plus 2, the derivative is 3, which is the slope, which is at the same time the change between the y-axis and the x-axis, sorry. Having said that, if we have a constant, a number, we're gonna know today that any derivative for any number is 0. So if y equals to 5, which would be a straight line this way, then the derivative would be 0. Any number, if you have any number as a function, the derivative is 0. So now we're gonna make it a little bit more extensive. If we have any function with a number and that x is with a power, then the derivative would be the number times the power times x, and then the power would be the same number it was before minus 1. Let's do an example which might get easier. So if y equals to 6x to the 4th power, then the derivative would be 6 times 4, which is this 4, x, and the power would be not 4, but 4 minus 1. So 6 times 4 would be 24, and the power would be 3. In that way, we can calculate the derivatives for any polynomial. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you very much for coming, and I hope you guys have learned something new today. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, just feel free to comment and feel free to ask any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching this week's topic, and see you next week. This was Nick the Geek. Take care, bye. Thank you.